A lot of people move here and they come here for this type of recreation.
I bike, I hike, I love to get my camera and just take pictures, especially with sunsets.
I'm actually a long distance runner, and so I'm a huge advocate for our trail system. I'm very excited about seeing a development that encompasses the natural area of Nassau County, and I think that Wildlight has it right to be able to provide an area that kind of looks like they just nestled a little house in there.
We have so many hiking opportunities in this area, and the very special part about it, you can go down a trail through amazing woods, and then right before your eyes you're at the beach. I think it's one of the coolest subtle variations you can find.
We have kayaking areas on the ocean side as well as on the river side of the island.
Great blue herons, great egrets, ospreys. There's a cast of characters usually that you're almost guaranteed to see when you're out there. And if there's one thing that folks take away from an experience on the water, it's the fact that fish jump.
The one thing that I hear from a lot of people when they come paddling with us, this is so peaceful. And you can see everybody just kind of relax.
There's specifically 23 very special city, state, and national parks right here in the Big Talbot Island area and Little Talbot Island area. I think this is one of the most treasured spots in all of Florida, and I've been all over the state.
John Muir Park is a good example. He was a naturalist and a botanist, and he went on to find the Sierra Club.
Fort Clinch State Park, which is a fort built by the United States Army. It's a United States Army installation placed here to guard the waterway that you see behind me. We have over 6 miles of hiking and biking trails. We have a nature trail where you can learn about our flora and fauna that we have here in the park.
The Amelia Island Trail people, they opened up a biking trail along A1A coming from the southern tip of Amelia Island up into Peters Point. And that's part of the Greenway, a trail that comes from Maine to Key West, and now that's part of it.
We need to find a way to balance development and conservation efforts where we're protecting these places, but we're also enjoying them, recreating in them, and building memories in them.
Wildlight will be able to give the community a really nice area to grow up in, an area where kids can walk along nature trails, along some of the trails that I've walked over 33 years. And I think it's a beautiful picture of where as a neighborhood grows, we can still practice forestry around it, and people can benefit from that same glimpse of nature.